Good morning. Today discuss about nomenclature of ketones. So two types of naming. First one is common name and second one IUPAC name. Today we discuss about how to write the IUPAC name of ketones. So IUPAC name for ketone general name alkanones. This one is the general formula for alkanes. For example, CH3 C double bond O CH3. This one is a ketone compound. And now question arises how to write this name of this organic compound. So first of all, alkanones. So alk means A. This stands for alkane. And on, this one is the suffix of ketone. ये जो आपके पास आईपीसी नेम जब भी आप राइट करते हैं तो कैसे राइट करते हैं कीटोन्स के लिए तो जनरल फार्मूला फॉर एल्केनोन्स it consists of two words alkane and one. Alkane stand for alkanes plus one is the suffix of ketone. So in this case alkane alk means how many carbon atom in the chain. So 1 2 3 carbon atom in the chain. So for 3 prop. How these carbon atoms join with each other? These carbon atoms join with each other by single bond to right A. Clear? And which type of functional group? Ketone. So suffix for ketone is on. Or also write as prop A to O. How to write this? Propane non or propane to on. So in this case, how many carbon atoms? First of all, numbering 1 2 3. How many carbon atom in this ketone? 3 carbon atom. So suffix for 3 is prop. How these carbon atom join with each other? Single bond to A. Now 2 stand for position of functional group. Okay, ketone is the functional group and that lies at bit position. So if we start numbering from this side 1 2. So ketone functional group present at which position? Ketone functional group present at second position. So 2 on. So this one is the procedure to write the IUPAC name of any ketones. Another one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This one is the another compound. How to write the IUPAC name? So first of all, choose the longest chain. How many carbon atom chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step, numbering start from which side? First step है आपके पास कि किस तरह आप क्या चूज करते हैं? सबसे पहले आप चूज करते हैं longest carbon atom chain. तो how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. सेकेंड स्टेप है नंबरिंग किस तरफ से स्टार्ट करेंगे इफ वी स्टार्ट नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड 1 2 3 4 तो इफ वी स्टार्ट नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड functional group lies at which position in this case functional group lies at second position or if we start numbering from this side 1 2 3 4 so when we start numbering from this side so in that case functional group lies at which position functional group lies at third position clear इस तरफ से करें तो सेकंड इस तरफ से करें तो थर्ड पर आपके पास जो प्रोसीजर आता है कि नंबरिंग इस तरफ से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे तो फ्रॉम विच साइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप गेट लोएस्ट पोजीशन आप लोग नंबरिंग किस तरफ से स्टार्ट करते हैं जिस तरफ से आपके फंक्शनल ग्रुप की पोजीशन क्या होनी चाहिए लोएस्ट होनी चाहिए तो इस तरफ से करें तो ये कौन सी पोजीशन आएगी सेकंड पोजीशन और इस तरफ से किया तो थर्ड तो राइट में कौन सा हुआ आपके पास राइट में ये हुआ क्यों क्योंकि इस तरफ से जब आप नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करें तो आपके पास जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है वो कौन सी पोजीशन के ऊपर आ रहा है when we start numbering from this side functional group lies at second position now how many carbon atom 4 so 4 but how these carbon atom join with each other 1 2 3 4 these carbon atom all these carbon atom join with each other by single bond to a functional group lies at which position second to on clear ये आपके पास आता है next another example in this case CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CH3. This one is another ketone example of ketones. Now question arises how to write the IUPAC name of this compound. So first of all choose longest chain. So how many carbon atom? 1 2 3 4 5. So how many carbon atom chain? 5 carbon atom chain. Clear? Now next question numbering start from which side? From which functional group get lowest position. If we start numbering from this side 1 2 3 4 5 and if we start numbering 1 2 3 so if we start numbering from any side functional group lies at which position third position, so we can start numbering from any side. Now question arises, how many carbon atoms? 5 pent. How these carbon atoms join with each other? A single bond A, position third, which functional group? Ketone O. Another one, CH3, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This one is another example of ketones, but in this case one functional group and one substituent is present. Now first of all, choose longest chain. So how many carbon atom chain? 1 2 3 4 5. Or when we start 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so we can choose the longest chain. So longest chain is 5 carbon atom chain, and we can write it. And in this case, this will behave as a substituent. Now question arises, numbering start from which side? From that side, functional group get lowest position. If we start numbering from this side, substituent get which, functional group get which position? Functional group lies at the second position. And if we start numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 and 5, so if we start numbering from this side, functional group lies at which position? This lies at fourth position. So write which one? From this side, because when we start numbering from this side, functional group lies at which position? Functional group lies at the second position. Clear? And this one behave as a substituent. And when this behave as a substituent, this substituent lies at which position? Fourth position. Which function? Substituent? Methyl. Next, longest chain 1 2 3 4 5. Pent. How these carbon atoms join with each other? Single bond A. Functional group lies at which position? Second position. So this one is 4-methyl pentane 2-on. So this one is the formula procedure to write the IUPAC name of any ketones. Clear? So this one is the way to write the nomenclature of the ketones. Next, isomerism in aldehydes and ketone. Isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Isomerism. So first of all, what is isomerism? Yeah, isomers. So isomers are those compounds having same molecular formula but differ in arrangement of atoms in the molecule. आपके पास क्या होता है, जो molecular formula रहता है compounds का वो same रहता है but differ in arrangement of atom in the molecule. And they show different type of isomerism. First one, so chain isomerism. First one, which type of isomerism? Chain isomerism. In case of chain isomerism, these are the compound having same molecular formula but differ in number of carbon atom in the chain. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, आपके पास जो molecular formula होगा आपके atom का, molecule का वो same रहेगा but they contain different number of carbon atom in the chain. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. This one is aldehyde. And if we write down the name of this compound, how many carbon atom in this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stand for group. How these carbon atoms join with each other? Single bond in. And which functional group? Aldehyde. And speaks for aldehyde is al. So this one is the IUPAC name of this compound, butanol. And if we write the isomer for this compound, isomer for this compound is CH3, CH3, CHO. This one is the isomer for this compound. And first of all, choose the longest chain. In this compound, longest chain. And we can start numbering from this side. Which side? In case of aldehydes, we can start the numbering from that side, from which aldehyde carbon get lowest position. So we can start numbering from this side, 1, 2 and 3. And if we count to this side, 3. So this one is longest chain. How many carbon atom chain? 3 carbon atom chain. And in this case, CH3 would behave as a substituent and write 2-methyl propanol. So this one is the IUPAC name of this organic aldehydes. So butanol and 2-methyl propanol. So clear from this example, okay, isomers, chain isomer, what are chain isomers? So these are the compound having same molecular formula but differ in number of carbon atom in the chain. Molecular formula means okay, how many atoms present in this aldehyde. If we count number of atoms, This consists of three type of atom: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. How many carbon atom in this molecule? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen atom? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. How many oxygen atom? 1. In this case, how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen atom? 3 plus 3, 6, 7 and 1, 8. How many oxygen atom? 1. So these are the compound. From this, these are the compound having same molecular formula but different number of carbon atom in the chain. This one is 4 carbon atom compounds and this one is a 3 carbon atom chain compound. इसमें 4 carbon atom chain है और इसमें आपके पास 3 carbon atom chain है. These are aldehydes and ketone. Chain isomerism shown by both compounds, aldehyde as well as ketone. So this one is the example of aldehydes. And if we discuss ketones, so how many minimum carbon atom chain required? 4. CH3, CH2, CH2, C, double bond O, CH3. This one is number of carbon atom? 5. 5 carbon atom chain. And if we write the chain isomer for this compound CH3, CH, CH3, CH, 2 C double bond O, sorry, C double bond O, CH3. Clear? So in this case, how many carbon atom chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both aldehyde and ketone show chain isomerism. And what are chain isomers? These are the compound having same molecular formula but different number of carbon atom in the chain. Second one, position isomerism. So what are position isomers? These are the compound having same molecular formula but differ in position of functional group. Differ in position of functional group. In this case, these are the compound having same molecular formula but differ in position of functional group. इसमें आप लोगों के पास क्या रहता है? Molecular formula same रहता है, number of atoms are equal but differ in position of functional group. For in case of next question, के out of aldehyde and ketone, which one show position isomerism? So aldehydes do not show position isomerism, but ketone show position isomerism. Clear? So in case of ketone, CH3C the H2, C double bond O, CH2 CH3. Clear? This one is a 5 carbon atom compounds ketone, and in this case 1, 2, 3. In this case, functional group lies at which position? In this case, functional group lies at the third position. And if you write the IUPAC name of this compound, the number of carbon atom in the chain is 5, and joined with each other by single bond, and functional group lies at third position. So pentane 3 on. And if we write the position isomer for this compound, so CH3 CH2, C double bond O, CH3. And in this case, functional group lies at which position? In this case, functional group lies at the second position. So this one is known as pentane 2-on. Pentane 2-on. So this one is also a isomer having same molecular formula but differ in position of the functional group. So this one is known as position isomer. In this case, functional group lies at third position, and in this case, functional group lies at the second position. So this one is another example of position isomerism. And now, if we compare with aldehydes, so aldehydes do not show position isomerism. So why aldehydes do not show position isomerism? Aldehydes do not show position isomerism because we can start the numbering from that side from which aldehyde carbon give number 1. हम लोग हमेशा नंबरिंग किस तरफ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? जैसे आपके पास आ गया CH3 CH2 CH, and another case CH3 CH CHO CH3. If we compare CH3, number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of hydrogen atom 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 or 1. 8. Number of oxygen atom 1. And in this case, number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number of hydrogen atom 3 plus 3, 6, 2, 8. And oxygen atom 1. So these are the compound having same molecular formula. But they differ. Why these do not show position isomerism? Because we can start the numbering from that side from which aldehyde carbon give number 1. हम लोग हमेशा numbering कहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं, जहां से आपके पास जो एल्टरनेटिव कार्बन है उसको नंबर 1 आप लोग देते हैं, तो 1 2 3 1 2 3, क्लियर। तो दिस वन इज पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, ओके।